Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I will wait one more minute, then I will start the class. Ma'am, where is Khevna? I will
Renu,
wait one
ma'am,
more minute. Yes, Anushka.
I have sent you that my home map one. Did you get it?
Yes, I received. Turn on your camera, everyone. Ma'am, where is Khevna? I request Khevna to attend the class to sit here.
मैम ये रही यस मैम सॉरी मैम
Okay. So everyone, children, we are doing about the mapping. From last few classes, we are learning about what is map, what is mapping. Then we have done directions, right? So there are four important things which are important in map. Is first is key. Key is what sometimes you see in the map. Some we cannot draw all the pictures and we cannot show all the colors. So like in the yesterday's class, I was showing you the window is in the direction. So when you see in the key, if this sign is there, it means it's a window. Yes. When you see the brown color mountains are there, brown color indicates the brown color. If I
Yes,
show,
ma'am.
then this is a mountain. If I show about the trees, I will show that this green color indicates the trees.
Ma'am, in the India map, they shows like the states like brown color, then they mark and then write.
Yes,
मैम
just a minute.
the ma'am the summer in the map are lie in the world map they are lying the Africa the Africa is 10 times bigger than the one country like it off.
Ma'am, you are on the mute.
Yeah, just a minute. I was coughing. That's why.
Ma'am, ma'am, the Africa is 10 times bigger than the another countries is smaller.
Yes. So it is the area is given also in the maps that which country is occupying how much area, right? So which country or which picture? So this is everything given in the map. Sorry, students.
Ma'am, what we have to take out?
Nothing. First, listen. So we have done about what is key, what are directions. We have learned about the directions also.
Ma'am, what was key? I forgot.
Key is sometimes we are not able to draw everything. We indicates that this represent this means
Like
brown
I
color
think,
is in the mountain.
yeah, so mountain.
Sorry, student. Sometimes you see there is a blue color in the map. Blue
Yeah,
color indicates water.
yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
So it
Green
is
color
a key.
indicates, yeah. When you go in a higher grades, you will see in the geography maps there are different type of maps also available, right?
Okay. Ma'am,
Some
it
vegetation
meaning
map.
it
Yeah,
meaning like a thing. I know this color. It
yeah.
is pink.
But it is not necessary that the same colors are being used here. But whatever the color is using here in the map, they give you the key.
Okay.
At the last there is a key also available in the map that this thing is indicating this thing. If this picture is there in the map, so in the key at the last it is given to you that this picture means window.
Okay, ma'am.
And this is the way, if this is drawn on the map, that at the last it is given to you, this means door. Because the maps are
Okay.
not.
Key. It is a key for it.
Yeah, sorry. Map is not only the world map or the India map. We have done different floor maps also, right? The
Yeah.
when we go to hospital, we have done hospital map. We have done about the world. We are going in the malls. We have done about the malls map. So different maps we have done, and in different maps, picture also different. Now we are going to learn about the directions. Directions also we have discussed in the last class. Right will be the east, left will be the west,
Ma'am,
front will be the north. Yes,
ma'am, your screen is blurred.
within 1 or 2 seconds it will be okay.
Yes, ma'am. It is blurred.
Now tell me.
Yes. Now it is also.
Wait 1 or 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. It is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
East to the right, west to the left, north, south. These are the directions. We have done directions also. We have done right, left also. That also comes in the direction.
Yeah.
East, west, north, south also come in the direction. Right, left, front, back also come in the direction. Now we are doing about the scaling. Now we are going to do about the scaling of a map. Scaling of a map means that day also we have discussed. Aryaman has given us a very good example that we cannot draw such a big thing on the map. For example, if I want to give you this is a car. Okay, the measure 1 centimeter equals to 2 meters, and the car length is 3 centimeter. The picture of the car is, this is the picture, and scaling means the relation between on the picture and the actual में वो कितना है. Picture में it is 3 centimeter, but actual में it is, who will tell
Ma'am,
me?
it is actually it is of 12
6
to
meter. 6 meter.
6 meter. Actually, it's a 6 meter, but
Actually,
it is
yes.
showing 1 centimeter.
Because 1 centimeter denotes 2 meter, so 3 centimeter, 3 multiplied by 2. Because it's 3 centimeter multiplied by 2 then it will be
6.
6 meter. So in picture it's 3 centimeter, but in actual it is 6 meter.
Six
Why we
meter.
are doing scaling? Because that day Aryaman has explained us that we cannot draw such a big picture or such a big area on the map. We don't have this much space, right? That's why we do the
Yeah.
scaling of something. For example, if I want to draw a one road, that this is
Yeah.
the distance.
In picture you can draw, but in reality, of it is of
Yes,
3 to 4 kilometers and more than it.
that for example 1 centimeter equals to 2 kilometer, right? So if I say the distance from A point to B point in the picture is 2 centimeter.
2 multiplied by 2.
4 kilometer.
4.
4
4.
kilometer. 4 kilometer.
Meter.
4 kilometer, got it?
Yeah,
Just a minute.
but we can make 4 kilometers in a book or chart paper, anything.
Yes, got it. This is the scaling. Now I want to show you one video on based on scaling. Yes, Ridan, you want to ask something? No, okay. Is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to mute myself, then you listen this video.
In map. Maps not only help us understand locations, but also help us see how big or small places are in comparison to other places. Maps do this with the help of a concept called scale. Let us understand this with an example. This is a picture of a car. In this picture, the car is 4 centimeter long. It is given that 1 centimeter in the picture is equal to 1 meter of the real car. Hence, the car in the real world will be of 4 meter long. Hence, in this case, the scale will be 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. That is, for every object of 1 centimeter length in this picture will have 1 meter of length in the real world. Similarly, if there were a truck of 5 centimeter in the picture, it would be 5 meter in the real world. Let us take some other example. This is a picture of a bus. The scale of this picture is 1 centimeter is equal to 2 meter. This bus is shown to be 3 centimeter. Hence, in the real world, the bus will be of 6 meters length. Let us take another example. On
Ma'am,
this
do
map,
please.
the distance between two places, A and B, is given to be 3.5 centimeters. The scale of this map is 1 centimeter is equal to 2 kilometers.
Now, children, listen. Here the point is coming, decimal is coming, that the distance between A and B is 3.5 centimeter, and 1 centimeter equals to 2 kilometer. So 3.5 multiplied by 2 will be done, right? Yes or no? And you all are not aware how to multiply the decimal numbers. Considered is as 35 multiplied with the 2. Remove the decimal. Listen here, be careful. Take it 35. Don't take it as 3.5. Take it as 35 multiplied with the 2. 2 5s are 10. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Now, here also after decimal, one digit is here. So, from the back, after one digit, put a decimal. So, the answer will be 7 kilometer.
I'm not able to. I'm not able to see a board. It's blur.
Yeah, ma'am.
Still,
And your voice is also cutting.
just a minute. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Now, let me know. Now, check.
It's still blur.
Yeah, ma'am.
To everyone, my screen is blurred.
No, ma'am. It is visible for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes, it is blur.
Yes, ma'am, it is
No,
blur.
ma'am. No, ma'am. It
Okay,
is not
then we can wait for 1 minute.
Ma'am, it is visible for me.
Okay, we will wait 1 or 2 minutes, then we can see. Now check Twisha pin on my board screen.
Oh man, your
Ma'am,
board
now
is
It's
blur.
still a little blur.
I think you're saying your presentation, your board is blur.
Okay, I will stop the presentation. Now pin on my board screen, Twisha.
Um,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it is
now
still
it's also blur.
Blur.
And
ma'am, now you children.
also cut it.
Okay, I will now check.
still blur.
Ma'am, your network is the screen is little bit hanging.
yes,
So
ma'am, it is too
maybe
blur.
because of network, it's okay. Now I will
Ma'am,
explain you
again it's
verbally.
going blur and blur.
It's okay. Don't see the board. Don't see the board. Listen to my voice and what I am giving you the instruction. Listen to that. Okay. So as I was explaining you how to multiply the decimal numbers. Suppose the distance was 3.5.
Ma'am, now your board is visible.
Now it's visible, Trisha, please check. Okay. So I was explaining you about the 3.5 centimeter.
No, ma'am.
Lakshay, listen. 3.5 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 2 kilometer. How to multiply the decimal number? Ignore the decimal. Consider this number as the 35. Multiply normally by 2. Ayush, you have joined now? Ayush, you have joined now? I am talking to you, Ayush.
Ma'am, actually, what happened is that I was completing some backlog. So while doing it, so I thought I'll complete this and it will be over till 9:30. But it took a little late, so I didn't
Take
realize
a
the time.
note that you join the class on time. Okay. Now don't disturb in the class. Listen the class carefully.
But what was the topic and what has been happening? Can
That's
you
the
at least
reason
tell
now
that?
I told you you have joined. You have joined late, bacha. We are doing the scaling of a map. And sit properly now at
Okay,
one
ma'am.
place. Don't move. So ignore the decimal. Take it as 35. Multiply by 2. When you 35 multiply by 2 will be what? 70? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then from the back, put the decimal after counting one digit, because here also after decimal there is a one digit, that from the back we can count one digit and put the decimal. So the answer will be 7 kilometers. Now I'm going to show you the screen again. Please mute yourself. Screen visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, in the real world, distance between A and B will be 3.5 into 2, which comes out to be 7 kilometers.
So are you all clear about the scaling of a map? So whenever you
Yes,
draw the
ma'am.
map, some floor maps, world map, any map if you draw, and where you mark the distance, please take a note that you don't forget to mark a scaling. Scaling karna bahut zaruri hai. So that when someone reads your map, he is aware that what is the distance indicates, right? How much is the distance your map is showing. So whenever you are making, like I told you that day also, make a map of your house, floor map. There also you indicate the distance also, that this distance is this much kilometer, and on the map floor it is this. Mohit, why you are joining the class, bacha? There is no need to
No, ma'am,
join
I
for
suddenly leave
30 minutes.
and join again. Your presentation was loading that time, so I rejoined again.
Students, please turn on your camera and sit in the class. Let me take the attendance.
Ma'am, now it is still blurred.
Then nothing is there on the board then. Now I want to present my screen. Take out your textbook, everyone. Page number 113. On
Ma'am, I
100.
can't see your presentation.
Who is saying that you cannot see my presentation?
Mohit, I can't see your presentation.
Pin on my board present screen. My screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, now
Other
it's
students,
visible.
please respond.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
That day we have discussed about the roads which are coming in between from Rashtrapati Bhavan to the India Gate. These are the roads, Rafi Mark, Janpat, Mansingh Road. These are the roads which are coming in between, right? So you can see here this is the India Gate, right? Is the voice visible to you? No, my voice is visible. Audible to you all,
Yes, ma'am.
students? Okay. So now you can see this picture is taken from the helicopter from the up. So this is the road, straight road is the Rajpath. Then this is the Vijay Chowk, Rafi Marg, Janpat Marg, Mansingh Road, Kasturba Gandhi Road, Tilak Marg, and Dr. Zakir Hussain Road. But you can see here, this picture is in the picture. If you see, in your textbook you can see the road which is going here, but here in actual the stadium is not showing, but in the picture it is showing because the picture has taken from the helicopter from the up. So the national stadium is here in the picture, but in this actual map it is not showing. So when you give the answers, give the appropriate answers. Have you seen a map of city? Look at the map one, match it with the photo and find out where the India Gate is. So we know that the India Gate is there. Some roads are shown in this part of the map. Look for them in this photo. So we have seen different roads also. Name the roads that you will cross on your way to Rashtrapati Bhavan. You will cross the Vijay Chowk, Rafi Marg, and Janpat Marg. All these roads you will cross. Now next, go to the next question. Yeah. Look at the National Stadium in map 1. Can you see it from the children? Please mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Someone mic is on.
Ma'am Mohit. Ma'am Mohit.
Mohit, mute yourself, please.
No, I'm muted.
Look for the National Stadium in map 1. Can you see it in the photo? So you can say no, we cannot see it in the photo. Go to the next page. The central hexagon. If we zoom it to look more closely at one part of the map, see, this is, we have zoomed it. Am I audible to you all clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
This part is called as the hexagon. Why? Because the shape of this is in the hexagon. Hexagon has how many sides? Its students?
Ma'am, six sides.
Six sides. Hexagon is a six-sided figure.
Six sides.
So yes. Now tell me, triangle is having how many sides?
Three.
Quadrilateral is having how many sides?
Four.
Quadrilateral.
Two.
Who
No.
is saying two sides?
Ma'am, three or
Why you are?
three or
It's
four.
having four-sided figure
Quadrilateral
is
has to
called the
have four sides.
quadrilateral.
Ma'am, can I tell why?
Hmm. Quadrilateral is a four. Yes, please, Ayush, tell.
Yes, ma'am. It is this is because quad. The meaning of QUAD is also called four, and we can also know that with another example of money in the international system after million, billion, trillion, quadrillion.
Okay, four times. So four-sided figure is the quadrilateral. Got it, everyone? And then pentagon has how many sides?
Five.
All are just, I can
Five.
see Arna Agarwal also just sitting in the sleeping
Five,
mode
five, five.
and enjoying the class? My dear,
Ma'am,
please
I can't.
give
Five.
answers. Give answers in the
Five.
class. Five-sided
Five.
figure is a pentagon. Six-sided figure is a
Hexagon.
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 Seven-sided figure.
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am. What did you say? When I was
Pentagon.
hear you because there was
Heptagon.
a lot of noise.
Heptagon is a seven-sided figure. And eight-sided figure.
Ten
Octagon.
sided figure.
I am telling eight-sided figure and Lakshya is talking about the
Octagon.
ten-sided figure.
Octagon.
Ma'am,
Octagon.
Hexagon.
Okay. And what is nine-sided figure?
Nanagon. Ma'am,
Nonagon.
Nanagon.
ma'am, I have a
Ten-sided figure.
ma'am.
Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I'm not able to hear you. There is a lot of noise. So what did you say of that 41?
Mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself, everyone. Let me listen to Anushka. Okay, thank you. Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am, I was not able to hear because there was a lot of noise from outside. So, ma'am, you said that 41. I didn't understand. What did you say?
Which one?
That I'm saying 41. I was not able to hear you properly.
41.
Yes.
No, I am not explaining any 41. I am explaining about the different sides figures. So,
No, before you said something like that.
no, I am explaining that only. This is the hexagon, and when we have discussed about the triangle, three-sided
Oh,
figure, quadrilateral four-sided figure, pentagon five-sided figure, hexagon six-sided figure.
oh,
Why I am revising this? Because here the shape is in the hexagon. So I am
four,
revising the
four-sided figure.
quadrilateral. Whether it's
Yes,
a
ma'am.
square, whether it
Like,
is a rectangle, it's all come in the quadrilateral.
but ma'am,
Go to the
also,
next. Anushka, your mic is sometime getting off and on, so I'm not able to hear you properly.
ma'am, but I didn't understand the coordinatal one. What's
You
that?
know the four-sided figures?
Shape? No.
Yes, shapes.
There.
They all are in the quadrilateral.
Oh,
And ma'am, I told you why. I told the reason why.
Yeah. Now go to the next. Look at the shape of the yellow area. Have you seen in this shape before? How many sides does it have? Yes, we know that it's a hexagon. This place is called the central hexagon. This place. Now, find out from the map we have done about the quadrilateral pentagon. Find out from the map. If you are walking or on Rajpath, then after India Gate, on which side would children park be? If you are walking on Rajpath, then after India Gate, on which side would children park be? So children park be on which side? This is the children park. If you see in your wait, I'll show you properly. The children park will be visible to you all. Here, this is the children park, right? So if you are walking on Rajpath, then after India Gate, आप राजपथ नगर की तरफ जा रहे हैं, इंडिया गेट के बाद on which side would children park be? किस side children park आएगा? आप
Ma'am,
राजपथ,
West.
you are coming from the, here you will use the right and left direction, students. So if you are coming from Rajpath, that pehle India Gate aayega, then at which side will be your children's park? Tell me.
Left.
Right side.
Right side.
Got it? Because you are coming from the Rajpath mark पे आ रहे हैं, फिर इंडिया गेट आपके राइट पे, इंडिया गेट आ रहा है सेंटर में, यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस वे, then India Gate is coming, then this is your right side where the children park will be. Got it, students?
So ma'am, From the India Gate, the children's park is from the northwest.
Yes. Now come. So we can say on the right side is the answer. Now go to the next question. Now we will learn about the angles. You all know that we have already discussed about the angles. If you are walking, this is done. Which of these roads make the biggest angle between them? Mansingh Road and Shahjahan Road. So, children, you have already learned about the angles in your last chapter. So, you can tell me Mansingh Road and Shahjahan Road. So, where is the Mansingh Road and the Shahjahan Road? This is the angle they are forming here. Then Ashok Road and Mansingh Road. Ashok Road and Mansingh Road. There is also one angle is being formed. Then Ashok Road and Mansingh Road, the angle away from the India Gate. Then here Janpat and Rajpath. This is also one angle. So can we which angle which roads are making the biggest angle? Can you please tell me, students?
Ma'am, Ashok Road and Mansingh Road are forming the biggest angle.
Very good. Go to the next now. Which of the above pair of road cut at right angles? Right angle पे which road is there? The above these three angles which we have done.
Ma'am,
Out of
can
these,
I say?
yes. Which child told me? Can I say? Tell me the name first.
Vaidi.
Can
Yes,
I
Vedi,
say?
tell me.
Ma'am,
Vedi will
Vaidi.
give me the answer. Yes,
Ma'am, the
Vedi.
India Gate one.
No, no. Right. These three angles we have done. No, one is Mansingh and Sharjah, Janpat and Rajpath, Ashoka and Mansingh. अब इन तीन में से right angle किस angle में बन रहा है?
The uh,
Right angle is 90-degree angle. Who is the next child? Please give me the answer.
Ma'am Freya.
Yes, Priya.
Ayush.
Ma'am Mansingh Road and Rajpath.
Yes.
मानसिंग
No.
एंड नो अबाउ आपको जो ऊपर वाले तीन एंगल दिए उन्हीं एंगल्स में से आपको बताना बच्चा दीज
Ma'am,
थ्री
Ayush.
एंगल्स
Can Ayush
मानसिंह
say
एंड
one?
शारजा
Ma'am,
मानसिंह एंड अशोक
ma'am,
जनपत एंड
Aryan,
राजपत
Ayush
ma'am
say.
Janpat and Rajpath.
यस आयुष
Yes.
से जनपत एंड राजपत okay now go to the next page page number 115 waiting for the parade now here also some children are waiting for the parade. While waiting for the parade, Kancha and some of his friends wonder where this parade ends. अब ये सब चिंता हो गई कि where this parade ends. कितनी लंबी parade होगी? Kancha is carrying a newspaper. चलो you know when there is a parade day, but day before newspaper में उसका पूरा road आ जाता है, right? The complete map comes in the newspaper the day before. कांचा is carrying a newspaper in which the route of the parade is written. विजय चौक से जाएगी राजपथ नगर, फिर इंडिया गेट, फिर तिलक नगर मार्ग एंड फिर BS Zafar means Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, Subhash Marg, and then the parade will reach to the Red Fort. So the path which they follow will be this one from Vijay Chowk to the Rafi Marg, from Rafi Marg, Janpat Marg. This is the complete Rajpath. You all know this is the Rajpath Marg which we have done in the map 1. Then India Gate, then Tilak Marg it will go, then Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, then Subhash Marg, and then it will reach to the Red Fort. Am I audible to you all? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So this is the path. Wait, it will show you mark. This is the mark. So from Rashtrapati Bhavan, this Janpat Marg, India Gate, and then Tilak Marg will go. Then it will go to Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, and then Subhash Marg, and then reach to the Red Fort. This is the road which they follow for the parade. Now come down. Here are some questions which we have to discuss. Trace the route of the parade in the map 3 and mark India Gate and Rajpath. So that we have already traced, जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया, you also have to trace in your map. And then mark where is the India Gate and the Rajpath. India Gate, you all know the here in this after Rashtrapati Bhavan on this Vijay Chowk, then Rafi Mark, and then Janpat Mark is just straight line, and that is the when you see the map number 1, it will show you exactly where the Rajpath Mark. Rajpath Mark is the straight mark which is in between Rashtrapati Bhavan and India Gate. That is the Rajpath Mark that you can mark, and then look at the map carefully and find out which of these is the longest road. How to find the longest road, students? Go to the map number 3 again. Go to the map number 3 again, and here you can see. Yes, I will show you here also. Wait. This is the road which is there. You can mark accordingly. Then this line which is here, this is the Rajpath mark. And this is the India Gate. IG, you can mark India Gate. Am I audible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. Sorry. So these questions you read, and we will discuss in the next class. Here also the questions which are related to scaling, also the topic, the concept which we have done about the scaling. Here also it's written, if you see the map number 3, it's written there, scale 2 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer. Here down it's written here the scaling 2 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer. So according to the scaling, please solve this. Okay, and then we will discuss the answer in the next class. Thank you.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, please ask.
Ma'am, wait. Yes.